Today I'm going to show you how to make rabbit stew using ingredients from your pantry. You will need 1 quart of canned carrots, 2 jars of canned potatoes. These are 1.5 pint jars. Since my husband isn't home right now, I use 1.5 pint jars. When he is home, I will use full-size quart jars, so it'd be 2 quarts of potatoes. And then if you have bone-in canned rabbit, you will need 2 quarts. If you have deboned rabbit, you will only need 1 quart of rabbit meat. You'll need pepper and you will need flour. Now, I do not put any salt in the stew because when you can, of course, you're putting salt into all of your jars. And each quart gets a teaspoon of salt. So if you add salt to the stew, it's going to be very, very salty. Because already there's like 4 to 5 teaspoons of salt just in those canned jars alone. Okay. Alright, the first thing you want to do is pop all of the lids on your jars. You'll take your rabbit meat and you'll pour all of the juice from the canned rabbit into the container or the cooking pot. This will be the base for the gravy. If you are using canned rabbit with bone in it, then of course you need to take the bone out and you'll be left with this nice lovely pile of edible meat. Okay, well, you need to add flour to the liquid that came out of canning jars. You basically want a 1-to-1 ratio, so I can give you an exact amount of flour. Just basically go until all the juice is mopped up. You don't want to turn the heat on yet, because if you do, the flour will start clumping and then you will have a nasty clumpy gravy in your stew. But generally I've found it takes about 3/4 of a cup of flour. And then before I turn the heat on, I will take the pepper. I'll do 20 grinds. And that's about a teaspoon. And then I mix that in, and then I turn the heat on to medium. And then you want it to slowly come to a boil. Okay, and the minute you start to get little bubbles is when it's going to start thickening. So you want to then take the water from your potatoes and pour it in. see how thick that has gotten already, just in the amount of time it took to pour the water in. You take your other jar of potatoes and you do the same thing. If it's still too thick, you can add the water from the carrots, but I don't do that because the carrot water is very sweet and it changes the flavor of the stew to savory. So if I need from savory to sweet, if I need more water, I will just add a cup of water from the tap. But this is the thickness I like. First thing I do is dump in the carrots and then the potatoes. It's always a stubborn one and I'm never prepared for it. Carrots mixed in with potatoes, because if you wait till after you do the meat, you're just going to have all the carrots on the bottom. And then goes the meat. Stir that in. I like to go up and over, it's the gravy over the meat. And once the meat is stirred in pretty well, the stew gets covered and it will cook on medium for about 20 minutes, and you want to stir it about every 5 minutes. I could actually reach that with the stock on stock. This is after the first 5 minutes. If the stew is boiling too hard, you can turn it down to medium-low or even low. Basically just simmering it long enough to take out the taste of the flour, or to cook the flour. After 20 minutes, the stew is done. The finished product is a beautiful bowl of rich, thick, hearty stew.